show my screen. So will you guys let me know when you can see the screen, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, can everyone see? You should have Binary Challenge Webinar 2, broker overview on how to place a trade.
Yeah, all good.
Okay, assume everyone else can hear us, and let's rock on. Okay, good afternoon, good morning, and thanks for joining, guys. We've got the three of us on the webinar, and we're going to cover off broker overview, how to place a trade, etc., and then answer any Q&As that you guys have. So we're going to do a very quick welcome and introductions of who we are. I'm not going to get into our history. That was on webinar 1. You're welcome to go and open it, look at it again. But you're going to get a lovely picture of our pretty faces, and then we're going to bash straight into the next slide. So who we are: Shane Morton in the middle, George on the left, Isaac on the right. We are your traders, we are your team, we are the ones who are getting the signals, pulling the signals from many charts, lots of analysis, and trying to deliver them to your rooms to get 3 wins a day. So there's a full introduction of who we are and what we've done in webinar 1. If you want, go and read it, go and look at it. We're not going to do that here. So very quickly, what we're going to cover up, sorry, I didn't mean to go to that one, I meant to go to that one. What we're going to do today, so very fast overview of the team, what we did in webinar 1. We're going to do a broker update. Going to go through demo accounts. We're going to go through some fancy internet things that we will use to communicate with you, and then we're going to tell you what you need to do, and we're going to bash through a Q&A session. So to highlight what we covered in the last webinar for anyone who cares, it was nice and long. It was about an hour. Hopefully we'll keep this one a bit shorter. You guys should be able to see my PowerPoint from before. So we did an introduction. We covered what binary option was. We covered what we're trying to do. We covered off how we'll do it. We went through Telegram very quickly, our website, our Facebook, our Skype, when the signals will come, and what you'll need to do. And then we did a very long Q&A session. It's all recorded. It's all up on Facebook. It's all up on the internet. Go and look at it. We'll share the link at the end if anyone wants it. So for the moment, I'm going to continue with this. If I can find my thing. That's us. Brokers. Long, hard search, lots of due diligence on our part, checking brokers, checking reviews, speaking with account teams, speaking with account managers, checking licenses, checking regulatory licenses, etc., etc. We've done all that for you, and we've settled on the 2 best that we can find. So far, we've spoken to both. We've told them what we're going to do. They say, great, bring it. So just to give you a little bit on Go Markets, they're an Australian broker, big FX house for a long time. They're regulated by ASIC. We checked licenses, everything's fine. They will cater for all of the non-US clients. They offer a web trader, which is a website you log into to place the trade. We'll show you that in a minute. They have an iOS app. They have an Android app. For any seasoned traders, they also have an MT4 with an FX Lite binary option plugin. For anyone who didn't understand what I just said, you shouldn't touch the MT4 FX Lite thing. Leave it alone. We're not even going to cover it. You don't need it. There are certain people who have done this before who may say, yeah, I want to do that. It's fine. Go, log on, figure it out yourself. You should be able to use it if you've done it before. But for now, we're just going to be using the web trader and the apps to place trades because it's simple and easy and you don't need to install or do any fancy stuff.
I just want to add something.
Yo.
With Go Markets, you can always speak to their help desk on their website. And if you want to do the MT4 and you want to get into the more technical stuff, they'll help you. Just ask them. They'll help you, walk you through it all the way.
Yeah, and in the email you get, there will be a guide on how to do that. Just we're not going to be supporting that here at the moment. So all the demo accounts which should have been set up this morning, our apologies for that, guys. That will be done tomorrow morning, I've been assured. That will be for everyone around the world, not just for ex-USA. Every USA clients and everyone else will have a demo account with Go Markets for the next week and a half of the trial. Once we're doing the trial and doing the beta testing sessions, we will be then setting up live accounts in the background for Go Markets for every non-US, and then for US we'll be with Porter Finance as well. But for now, for demo and testing, we'll be doing it all via Go Markets for everybody. We've set up with Porter Finance for USA clients. They offer a web trader. I thought they had an iOS and Android app, but apologies, they don't. I've just found that out, sorry, so very sorry about that. But they've assured me that their website is mobile optimized and it should all work 100% on the website. So that, again, that will be part of our testing that we'll be doing, etc. They don't have demos, so that's why we have to do all our testing over on Go Markets. So very quick to jump in again, how we'll do it. This is an old slide from the first presentation. How we're going to do it, we're going to use Telegram. We're going to show you live Telegram now, two apps, both on the phone and on the desktop, and how it all works. It's really easy. Go to telegram.org on the phone or on the PC, download it, download for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, BlackBerry. Some people still have them. I know there's one guy who does. Give it a bash, install it, and once you sign up via our website for the beta test, you'll get the link to join into that group. It's a secret group. You can't find it. You must be invited in, and you'll get all those details from signing up on our website. So to very quickly show you the Telegram desktop app, you should see that now on the screen, and it's very simple. You'll have all the rooms that you're a member of on the left-hand side. So far, I'm just in one, which is our 100K binary challenge. We'll be dishing out trades in here. You can't speak here. You can just listen. You won't be able to post any comments in here. You'll only be able to view what we've put up there. We can, as we're the signal senders, obviously we can say anything in here, but we're trying to automate our signals. We'll go out in this, so you should see a standard format every time. So it'll be a level 1 or level 2. It'll be a pair name, time, an expiry time, and an up or a down, or a in 1 minute or in 5 minutes or at the end of the hour, etc. So that's the desktop app that we'll be using, guys. And now we have a quick video to show you the iOS app, which we took earlier on using our very nice Reflector 2 software, which is in trial mode now because we're testing it, but we will go and buy a proper version of it now, so we'll get rid of that pesky thing going forward. So very simple. iPhone, this is mine. Apologies for any of the mess, but Go Markets app, and you'll have your Telegram app. I have my Telegram app down here. Click it, opens up. Same, lists your chats. Again, I only have one. It's the same account. You log in here as you log in on your desktop app. So you'll see the same things on here and on there. So very simple. Click into it. Boom. See the same room, same trades, same messages that you've seen on your desktop app. So you can use both. You can use one or the other, but you need to use one. Obviously, you need to get your trades on. You need to get your signals from inside here. Very simple. Any new members can see all the old trades. So you can see all our wins, all our losses, all our stats, all our numbers. Again, we're in test mode, so a lot of these signals, while we hope they'll be wins, they may not be. Again, we're testing certain things, so make sure you only take these on demo accounts, please. So that's our Telegram overview. We're now into levels, Isaac. And do you want to speak a bit around this? There's a lot of questions around this, and we'll probably put a one-page PDF or something out there so you guys can have it or print it and stick it to your whatever cubicle walls, on the windscreen of the car, etc., to see what this is. Isaac, do you want to run over these?
Sure. Okay, so when we give you a trade, it's going to say before the act, like the first thing you're going to see is level 1, level 2, or level 3. Generally, when there's a setup on the first entry, you're going to be given a level 1, which is what so far we're putting 2.5% of your balance. This may change, we may go lower, we may go higher, but we decided to go with this number for now. So 2.5% of your starting balance. So if, let's say, the trade loses and we have to re-enter, you'll get a signal that says level 2, which is going to be 2 times level 1. So what that means is, let's say you put your first trade for $5, your level 2 trade will be for $10. And then same thing, if we have to re-enter a third time, which we hope we don't need to, but it's going to happen. It just, so far in testing, we have to go to level 3 once occasionally. So you will have to do 2.5 times level 2. So if level 2 is $10, then if level 2 is $10, then level 3 will be $25. Simple enough. This is our money management for the group. This is going to be the money management for the master account. This is the money management we're going to use to get to that 100K. And if you want to take trades the same way we do, this is our money management system. If you want to take larger trades or smaller trades, it's completely up to you. But this is the path we're going to go for as of now. If we find a more efficient way to do it during testing, we'll update this. But so far, this is the way we're going to do it. Okay, that's for levels.
Great, thanks, Isaac. And again, as Isaac said, you want to use larger trades, that's completely up to you. But we're not liable if you blow your accounts or you lose or you do something stupid. Obviously, we'll help you as best as we can. But if you're not going to follow us or you're not going to listen to us, then we can only help you so far. So to very quickly bounce to the next slide, which again I think is an example of a trade in Telegram, which I've showed you. It will come through as a call or a put. Again, covered in webinar 1, a call means up, put means down. And you'll be given, end of this hour, start of this hour, on what to do. So
what we did was we updated the trades to actually put an arrow in the middle to make it even more simple. If you look back in the slides, you'll see some example of older trades. And I believe it's like 2 slides before this one.
No, you'll be better off getting this. There you go.
Yeah, that works too. If you could make it a little bigger, it would be better.
No, I can't make it bigger.
You could see, for example, the level 1 NZD CAD 30-minute put, and then we put an arrow there. So in case you're a little bit confused, you'll see 30 minutes, arrow down in 1 minute. It should, make it really simple. This is what the beta testing was for, to make it as simple to understand for anybody.
Okay, thank you. So, we're not going to do that because of that silly watermark. We're going to do, just give me 1 second, guys. We're going to do a live trade via our phone, which is going to go hopefully really well, but let's just see how we do. So this is my phone. Again, excuse any mess or whatever. So Go Markets app, which is here, bottom left. You install via the Android app is the same as far as I know. It's just a different color. I think it's black. On the iOS, it's white. Everything else looks the same, I'm told. I don't have Android, so you'll have to figure it out yourself, or you have to download it and install it. Any issues, we're here obviously to help you. So very simple, into the app, you get the trade on Telegram, you get a bing, bing, bing in on Telegram, you go, okay, I got my trade, I'm going to go and do my, trades. So I go into Go Markets, First thing you'll see is GeoDemo, a number and a thing. So GeoDemo is the server name that you connect to. You can click this little ... here when you're first signing up, and you'll have 4 different servers. For the moment, we're on demo. When we go live, we'll be on live 1, 2, or 3, or whatever, depending on your email. We'll say that. You'll get the details once you get your live account. But for the moment, we're going to stick with demo. You'll put your username in there, and you put your password in there, and you'll hit log on. Simple. All the pairs in front of you. So as per the last signal that went out, it's NZD CAD. So in the middle here, NZD CAD, binary option, current price. So we're going to go in here. It was a level 1 trade. So I'm starting, say, with a balance today of, and this is something we should have really maybe done. I'm starting today with $250. So level 1 is going to be 2.5%. So I'm multiplying by 0.025. We'll maybe send a calculator out to you guys on Excel that you can quickly just do that. That shows me that today my trades, level 1s, are going to be 6.25. So we're saying to you to round that down, or up if you're really adventurous, etc. It's only $1. It's not going to make a huge difference. So for the purposes of this, we're going to round that down because they don't allow cents or decimals, etc. So if you look again on the app, you'll see $6. Expiry is 30 minutes, which may not, that's not the default. So you can change that to a 5, a 10, a 15, 20, 30, etc. So for this, I'm going to pick 30 minutes because that's what the signal was. Same with the investment. You'll see 10, 20, whatever there. You'll notice there's no 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for that, I need to go to the bottom and hit custom. I then need to type 6. Okay. So I've got a 30-minute, $6, and it was I can't remember, was it a call, whatever. It's a call or a put, so it's an up or a down. So if it's a call, it's green, it's up. If it's a put, it's red, it's down. So I'm going to take a put here, just because. Boom, the trade is on. So big countdown timer will show you obviously how much is left in your trade. You'll have a position number here, which is your physical, that is your unique order number on the system. So if there's a problem, if there's anything and you need to contact the broker, they might say, what is your trade number? You can say, this is the trade number that I need to talk to you about, and they can bring it up on their system. This will show you that we've done a down, which is a put, down, put. We've invested $6. We opened, or we got the strike price of 0.93583, and the current price is 0.935601. So obviously that number is greater than that number, and we want it to go down. So we're currently out of the money, which means we're currently losing $6. So you'll see that be red. Red means we're losing, green means we're winning. So obviously you don't sit and look at that for that long. You can say, okay, fine, I'll go away, come back in 24 minutes, and most likely we'll have either sent you the next, what next to do, or if you've got nothing and it's winning, then great, it's just going to go to win, and then we're going to move on to the next trade we're going to get. If we're losing, you're going to get a ping, telegram, level 2, probably with about 5 minutes of notice. At the end of the next half hour, take a level 2 put or call. It could be either or. It could be a put or call. We may change direction. We'll try and limit those, but sometimes we may have to change the direction. So please make sure you look at the arrows and look at the call or the put. Is it a call or a put? Make sure once you get into the few of this, you'll fly through it. But for the start, it might be a little bit confusing. So again, simple. If I need to do another trade, I can go to rates at the bottom left. You can see all the rates. Pick the pair I want. As I said, there's a lot of pairs here, so it's a really good broker on that point. Positions shows me my current open positions. You can see I've invested $12. My current open floating profit is 180, and that's because I have a -6 and I have a plus 420. That's a trade I did just when we were testing the app out before. I can click into my winning trade and see there's 4 minutes 25 seconds left. It's a down, it's a put at $6, and you'll see these are green, which means I'm winning. So at the end of this, hopefully we're going to win $4.20, and that will go into my balance. You can see your history.
And I have a quick question.
Yo.
They can see your phone currently, right?
They can see my phone currently, yes.
Okay, so there's a signal that's about to go out. Would you be able to take that with everybody?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so let
So you
me,
want to do, so first things first, fire a telegram out. I presume it's going to be in 4 minutes. We're going to take the trade at the end of the half hour, you know?
yeah, it's going to be launching in 15 seconds.
So that's fine. So what I might do just while we're doing that is end slideshow.
There it goes.
So you guys should see. So you'll see at the top of my screen there quickly, you've got 100K binary challenge. So we've got gold, a put in 3 minutes. So again, I can go, okay, oh, I missed that. What was it? Quickly into Telegram. Boom. Very bottom. You can't really see because of that thing, but there, I'll hold it up. So you've level 1, XAU USD. That's the symbol for gold. XAU, it's the what's the thing? It's the thing anyway. It's the symbol for gold. So we'll put brackets gold so as to not confuse you. Put down in 3 minutes. Okay, so very quickly I want to go find gold's probably at the bottom because it's alphabetical order. So be careful, there's two there. You've got XAG and you have XAU. XAG is silver. XAU is gold. So don't hit silver by mistake, etc. So we want gold. We want 30 minutes. And I'm level 1. So today I'm at
This one is 15 minutes. This one is 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, that's fine. So today I'm doing level 1 trades. So I want $6. And I'm going to go to 15 minutes. And so it's at the end of the hour. So you'll see at the moment we've got 2 minutes. Okay, so it's 15 minutes. We're going down, so it's a put in 2 minutes. So we're waiting for the clock. We're waiting for the time at the top of the phone to go to 29 or to go to 30 or whatever. Look at a different clock. Look at your stopwatch. Whatever you guys need to do. So that's ready to go. So that in a minute or so, I'm going to hit down. I'm going to hit that down button. So just while we're waiting for that to happen, I'm going to get the web trader open here as well that I can show you guys. So we've got about 50 seconds, I think, yeah? So we really want to try and we want to try and take these trades at the number if we can, or as close to it as physically possible. We understand people are in work, people are in jobs, people are in whatever. Again, we're not liable if you lose your job for participating in this. We're not liable if you crash your car, etc. It's on you, so be safe and try and not get caught. Go to the toilet, do a trade, whatever. We should give you a couple of minutes notice. Oh, it's dropping now already. Have we enough time? Okay, I'm going to take the trade now. So we're going to do a down. Boom. So we're on. The trade's on now. Maybe 2 seconds early, but it's okay. A couple of seconds is not the end of the world. So this trade is now on. It's green. Good. So hopefully it'll stay green. So I'm going to go and do a quick chat on the web trader for a minute for you guys. So I'm just going to move this out of the screen so as to not distract. And I'm going to go back out of all of this again, just so you guys can see. So we'll send this link out. You'll get this link as part of your email, etc. But this is the web trader, obviously, for you to use if you're on a PC, laptop, or whatever. So again, same username as on the phone. Same username as on the phone. You don't have to pick a server here because it's demo anyway. The address you'll see, it's demo 1. So you're going straight to the server. So we log in. And this is also their FX web trader and their binary platform. So we need to select here binary options. So ignore Forex because you get confused when you click that. It's going to be buy or sell. And you're going to go, oh, what's that? No. So ignore that. Click binary. Find the pair you want by using the scroll down here. So again, just to simulate putting the same trade on, I'm going to go and put gold on very quickly. So gold is here at the bottom. So I can click it and we'll open the trade. This chart, this is now the gold chart that we're looking at. Not that you need to look at it, but just FYI. If you click here straight away down, it will put a trade on for you. It will put a $5 trade on for 5 minutes. So if that's what you want, great, just hit the button. If you want to change, hit the make investment button here. So make investment will pop up this. You want to change your investment to 6, because that's what I'm doing today for level 1. If my trade was a level 2, I would put 12 in there, because I know in my head it's 6, and I know I'm doubling for level 2, so it's 6 is 12. So I will put that in. So we're going to see we're going to get a 75% payout. I want to change it to a 15-minute, and I want to hit down. So again, I would wait till the beginning of the second or the hour or whatever, and then boom, I would hit down. I'm not going to hit it again because I don't want 2 trades on, and it's a couple of minutes later. But when you're in the web trader here, if you click here, binary positions, you can see your current open trades, or previous trades, etc. So now you can see that we still have, so we won the first NZD CAD that I was doing before you guys joined. We've 21 minutes left on the other one, which I can double click, which will pop up, and I'll be able to see, are we in or out? So we want to be down, isn't it? It's an NZD CAD down trade, so we want to be below 583. So we're winning that trade too, so that's good. So we can dismiss that and tell it to go away, and I can go and look at my gold trade, and I can see again we're winning here. So you'll be able to see at a quick, I suppose the way I see it, I'm not sure if this changes, the investment goes to 0 or it goes to 6 if we're in or out of the money, but if we're down, we want this to be a minus number, direction minus. That shows you that it's minus 1.69 pips from the price. If you're going up, you want this number to be plus. If it's 0, it means it's going to be a draw and you're going to get your money back. So if you're going down, you want to see minus here at the end of the timer, and if you're going up, you want to see a plus, or not a plus, but just not a minus effectively. Or you quickly look at the numbers and do the maths yourself and see. Isaac, George, do you have anything to add here, or are you happy enough that I've done it, etc.?
You did great. Just glad I gave this signal before so you could do it live. Everybody sees exactly how to do it.
Yeah, that's really cool. I'm just trying to get my phone up again on the screen for everybody. So get rid of this. Excuse me. So back into the app, you can see 10 minutes to go. It's a down again, yeah, $6. Open price is X. Current price is 85. It's green. We're in profit, 450 at the moment. So we want that to stay there. If you really want, you can go to the rate. You can go click XAU USD, which is gold, and you can hopefully not get a timeout. So I've seen that timeout once or twice, and we're working with the account manager to stop it from happening. It's been pretty good today, but if you're getting a lot of those timeouts, we want you to tell us, and we want you to let us know. You know, were you on Wi-Fi? Were you on 3G or whatever? And did you get it? Go away. So that's not cool. So when I've seen a couple of those errors, what I've done is I've gone and closed the app. I've gone back in. And I've been able to see, or it's worked then. So you can kind of watch your little chart if you really want to do that. But for the moment, very simple. Open positions, you can see both currently winning, touch wood, what they are and where they're going. And you can check your history for the day or the week or the month. So you can see for the month, we're up $56. We've invested a total of $497. We've won, lost. So that's your history. It's your weekly history, and that's your daily history. So you should be able to see all the trades that you've taken there, whether they're wins or whether they're loses. Looks like we've had a very good day today anyway. Well, I have on this, on these demos that we've been doing. So I think that's really it here. We'll leave that go for the moment and we'll see how we get to the end. Where are we? We'll move that away. And Isaac obviously remind me to bring that back when we're getting to the end, yeah? So where are we? We are here. So broker update. So we've done that. So broker updates, Go Markets, Porter Finance done, demo accounts done. So internet things, magical things, the ways we will use to communicate with you. Telegram app. So we've done that. Showing you the app. When you sign up to our website, you get an email welcoming you. You'll get a link to Skype group. You'll get a link to Telegram group. Install Skype, install Telegram, and click them, boom, you'll be in the rooms. If you have any problems, send us a message on Skype, email, Facebook, carrier pigeon, whatever, and we'll help you out. Go Markets Web Trader, we've covered. Go Markets app, we've covered. Skype group is a Skype group. I'm not going to go into it too much. It's simple. A website you've probably seen because you're here. Our Facebook group, again, you've probably seen because you're here. So what do we need you to do? Very simple. Install Telegram on your PC, laptop, phone, smartphone, or all of the above, whatever you want. Receive your email from Go Markets and log on to your account tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, London session in the morning when you wake up, depending on where you're in the world, you should have an email from Go Markets. I hope everyone does, or it's going to be fun. Saying welcome, here's your log on, here's your password, here's the link to the app, and here's the link to the web trader. It will give you the link to MT4, but again, unless you're an experienced trader or you know how to use it, I'd just leave it alone. You don't really need it for this. Facebook group, fine. Join it if you want. Join the Skype group if you want. A few people have been given out. There's lots of chat in the Skype group, etc. That's what it's there for. There's no chat in Telegram. It's just a signal. Skype is for you to come in, ask questions, celebrate with us when we win, celebrate with us when we lose, or help us, tell us what we did good, tell us what we did bad, ask questions, whatever. If you don't like it, don't log in. You can mute it on your phone. You can silence it so it doesn't annoy you if you're in work or whatever. But there'll be lots of chat in there as well. So come in, don't come in. It's up to you guys. Jump onto the broker once you get a trade. Jump onto the broker webpage or the app. Take the trade. It should be simple. We're trying to make it simple, easy. Idiot-proof money, I think, is something someone said. So we want to make this simple. If you guys don't understand this, then we're not doing something right. We're doing it wrong. So tell us, please. So really into a Q&A, guys. So I'm gonna quickly, and I haven't been looking because obviously I've been talking too much probably. Have we got questions? Is there any questions in the webinar chat, in the Skype,
Not that I can see.
on the Facebook? There's one on Facebook, which we'll get to now in a second. And now's your chance. If you've no questions, brilliant. You know everything we've done. We've done everything we're supposed to do. We've explained it easily. You all know everything now. You're all master Jedi traders, and that's fine. Cool. But if not, again, guys, there are no stupid questions yet. There will be later on, obviously, when we're blue in the face telling you the same things over and over and over again. But that's fine. So again, just question, Isaac, there's a level 1, 2, and 3. We've covered that, I think. Does anyone want us to go over that again? Or Isaac, do you want to quickly run over that again, or are we good?
I could run through it really quick. It's basically our money management system. Your starting balance will be, for your first trade, depending on the setup, 2.5% of your current account total. And then level 2 is double that, and then a level 3 is 2.5 times your level 2 amount. So for example, if your starting trade size is $5, for level 1, level 2 will be $10, and level 3 will be $25. And if you have to round it up, I normally round it up for level 3. I would round it up to the higher dollar, but you can round it up to the lower one. I would go with the higher one. It's just $1. It's not going to make or break you. And I'm looking forward for questions. I think it's pretty clear, but if not, I would like to hear it from you guys.
So got just one, I think, here from one of the guys. One, sorry, will the webinar be recorded? Yes, Scott, just for you. Thanks for that. We love repeating ourselves over and over and over again. Newbies like me.
Qualtrade is going to win for everybody that wants to know. It's really, really in the money now.
Yeah, there's a couple of questions, I suppose, I've been fielded or sent on Skype and different things. You know, what happens if you miss level 1? Should you get in on level 2?
Yes,
you know,
I would
level 3? What should you do?
2.
Yeah, Isaac, what should you do?
Enter on level 2.
Okay, enter as a level 2 or go in with your level 1 figure?
So if you want to be conservative, enter with your level 1. And if you want to join us in it, enter in your level 2. Either way, you're good because you still didn't lose your level 1 amount. So you will end up making more no matter what you do.
Okay, so conservative, stick to your lower amount. If you want to be not so conservative, then go in with your level 2 amount to join us there. So you've seen today, I think we had 2 level 3 losses. Standard plan would be that we would kind of stop and regroup and see what's going on. I know one of those was a mistake this morning, and I think one of them was there news on one of them as well, which we kind of.
They were both technical analysis mistakes.
So they were both kind of mistakes. So we should stop after 3, but at the moment we're testing, so we're not. We're just going to keep going because we're on demo and we're testing. But the plan will be not to just continue to go when we go live. We should have a much stricter plan, but bear with us because we're just testing still now. And please stick to demo, people, at the moment, because some of them are going to be like this morning, you're going to have a mistake. 2, we don't want you to lose your money on those ones. And I think that's really it. A lot of people asking for the link to sign up to the broker. We're not giving it out yet because they're not ready. Some technical things need to be ironed out with sign-ups and links and things. So for now, we're not commencing live trading until the 18th of January. So Monday, 1 week from now. So we've got like 5, 6, 7 trading days to do demos. So we would hope that the live link accounts will be sent out by next Monday maybe, which gives all of next week for you to get your account open, send in your ID, your proof of address details, all that sort of stuff, make your deposit to be ready to go for the Monday. There's no rush, don't need to do it today. You're not getting the links now. If you sign up to the broker now, we can't guarantee that you'll be under our account management. You know, you won't be on our system, etc. So please don't. Sorry, it's a win. You should have shouted at me. I would have opened up the thing and shown the guys.
Sorry about that.
I don't have the app, but I have the web trader here. You should see. So top one, good, boom, win. So win. That's good. Great. Great news. Okay. Surprisingly, not that many questions. So great. Means we're doing something right, or they're all asleep. Cool. Okay, we're going to wrap it up then. Anyone else? Anything? No? George?
No, all good.
Isaac?
All good. Recording will be up.
Shane? All good. Cool. We're going to close it down, upload the videos, and everything will be available for everyone. And please, guys, if you're not in our Telegram or our Skype rooms yet, you know, ask yourself, have you signed up on our website? If you haven't, 100kbinarychallenge.com, go there, hit beta, sign up, fill in a few details, hit a button, you'll get an email, join the links, boom, you're in the group, You know, ask questions, join the Facebook. There's a Facebook group, there's a thing, there's loads of groups. So there's so many groups, so many ways to get us. So let's do that, and let's chat to you all, and we'll see you all in there soon. Thank you very much. Thanks for everyone's time. Goodbye and good day.
Thanks, guys.